omobishop we Diocese ya Kisii Joseph Okemwa Mairura nigori tukoria rero aigore parish enya ye 42 ime ye county ya Kisii tukoria rero gukwana ase parish yewe ya St Augustine Otamba Mairura nigobona ruo kuboria gocha sabanto wetanga kurwa asobosegi obokoboke obubokoleta nene liberera ase chinkana boigo ogwetana chimeme kyoge koirera chisegi gosogosiria kwa magima yabange
Rituko elimorioka magega ye parish enya yakabeo koigorwa egotoka ase ebunge ya bobasi omwesi kobi bworogongorwa gusi Joseph Mairura Okemwa na rero nigo aira chinga kichae chiabene koigora parish endenya ikoruku St Augustine egotoka Otamba ime ya Kisii Central ebunge ya Nyaribari chache.
I, Right Reverend Joseph Mairura Okemwa, Bishop of Kisii, after all necessary consultations and reflection, do hereby establish St. Augustine Otamba Parish in accordance with Canon Law 515 number 2 and 3. The new parish will have territorial boundaries comprising of 7 centers carved from 2 parishes, namely Kisii Cathedral and Nyakigogi parishes, and any other centers to be created in future. This decree has been given by my office of the Diocese of Kisii, 22nd December 2025, in the year of Jubilee. That's the year we have been celebrating. And I issue this, Mumanyete, Joseph Mairura Okemwa. Manere is my notary. He will do his part when it comes to doing his part. Also grow from 7 centers to 12 centers in 2 years. As he did give away. Nasi Eucharistia kali musasro tabra teki hai lakini wana na wewe ni ya zumure na wale dero musasro tio pale gasibia mumu na tate bia
Parish ya St Augustine Otamba egotoka ime ya Kisii Central ebunge ya Nyaribari chache nero yaikire parish ya emerongene na ibere na nero egochigokora omwaka oyega ase chiria ekimo cyabo kya omwesi ko bibworogongorwa Kisii Joseph Mairura Okemwa abeire gakoigora ase omwaka oyega. Kuripotera Getembe Wycliffe Tyson.